right, so we've got to go back about 6 or 7 trading days to get an idea of where we're headed. So let's take a look. Yeah, I can still see it anywhere in this 30 to 20 range down to an even 469, 85, and then a big flush down to this 45. So if this can't hold, this could lose 50 more cents. You see it? So here's your next set of ranges. This is around where it's at now, 25 to 69, 468.85. If that doesn't hold, could go as low as this 45. Now remember, SPY doesn't typically drain more than about 1.5% to 2% for the whole day. So also keep that in mind once we start, looking at it. Don't go, it's going to go to 460 even today. That's not how it works. So just remember the regular true range of SPY. You can see right now it's down $3.30, which is equivalent to 70.70. So if we calculated that again, realistically, this thing could fall a couple more dollars to be about a 1.5%, right? If we use our math. But that would be a really bad day for SPY.